Okay, what is today?
This,
Can you turn the speaker up? There we go.
Good morning, Countour Airlines. This is Sandra. How can I help you?
Hi, Sandra. This is Victoria Hoggett. We were the folks that were leaving Tupelo right now to go to
Yes.
Boston. So you said to call you back. So I've got
Yes,
that.
ma'am.
I've got that
Yes,
information.
ma'am.
Just a second.
Yes.
Okay, the confirmation number. I had it up.
And who are you flying on?
It was JetBlue. And the confirmation, are you ready for the confirmation code?
I am.
Okay, it's FWD, I'm sorry. YMKFWD.
Okay. All right. So I will give you all a call back. I'll try to change your connecting based on what time you're going to get into Nashville, or either book you on a different airline. But I'll call you back and let you know. What number can I reach you at?
This is a good number, the number you called, 615-534-1943. If for some reason 615-534-1943.
that's your phone number to call you back.
Okay. No, I want your phone number, ma'am.
What's your phone number? 662-315-1394.
1394.
If you can't reach me there, try 830-570-1299. But we're stuck here at the airport, so we'll be answering the phone.
Okay. Yeah, I tried to reach you early this morning, but I couldn't get you on the numbers that I had.
Really?
Yeah, did your son get in touch with you?
Yes, he's here with us.
Okay. Yeah, I called. I can tell you what numbers I called. Hold on 1 second. I called 830-570-1299.
Okay, my phone isn't showing any missed calls.
Yeah, I called several times. That's actually how I got your son's phone number. It was off your message.
Oh, okay. Well, that's good that you got it somehow.
That's how I got him, because your message said to call that number.
All right, great. So our flight was direct. You know, my husband's 68, and we don't want to fly all around the world, but we have a place booked that costs $400 a night in Newport, Rhode Island. We've got to drive a couple hours to get there, and we don't want to do that in the dark. So we would like, if we ever get out of Tupelo, we would like to fly direct as fast as we can, please.
Okay. Well, I'm going to look at all the airlines and see I'll call you and let you know the time that I can get you out the soonest.
Okay.
And then, and then it'd be a direct flight as well.
Okay. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I'll give you a call back.
Thank you. Bye.